15 million Americans have chronic bronchitis. Most started ignoring a simple cough. You've had that cough for 3 weeks. You keep thinking it'll go away, but your airways are swelling shut right now. Here's how to know you're in danger. Your cough is deep and wet coming from your chest. You're coughing up thick yellow or green mucus, and lying down makes you wheeze. Ignored bronchitis opens the door to pneumonia. Pneumonia is the 9th leading cause of death in America. Do this now. If your cough passes 2 weeks, see a doctor. Drink water constantly to thin the mucus and avoid all smoke. This is education only. Breathing problems? Get medical help immediately. A regular cold clears up, but chronic bronchitis doesn't give warnings before it damages your lungs permanently.